Welcome, traders. Whether you're a beginner chasing consistency or a pro sharpening your edge, this lesson is for you. Let's dive in and get one step closer to smarter trades and bigger wins. Okay? Yeah. So I took this trade on Friday on the US30. I want us to break it down together so that when we see it again, we can execute it confidently. Okay, so let me show you the live trade first. So I want you to understand every candle tells a story. And today we are decoding story by understanding the language of the market. So let's decode this story in a language the market understand and see the reasoning behind why I was able to take this trade. Get ready with me and let's do this, okay? So this was the high and low of the previous week. You know, market only does three things: breakout, pullback, continue, breakout, pullback, reverse, breakout, pullback, and consolidate. Okay, so you can see, and as I told you, I'm a Stacy Beck trader and we follow setups. Okay, we wait for a setup, we wait for the money to be pumped in the market, and there are things and indicators that shows us where the money is and what they are doing and stuff. So like you can see, I have the previous high, previous low, previous days high and low indicator. I have the previous week range, previous week's range. Okay, so and always remember, when a market breaks a level, that means there is money on the other side of the market. So let me so when a market break, let's say this level, that means the money is here. The money will be sitting here because there are traders, the traders who sold here, who sold from here, from this level, are still holding, are still in profit. So there is a lot of money at the other side of the market. That's why when you see when it broke out, it went back to get them. See, it broke out, they were holding, so it went back to get them. It went back 100% back, reversal, totally went back. The traders here. So it's the same story like around here. So let me break what happened before they returned. Okay, the market, this was Monday. Okay, Tuesday. So Monday it broke the low of the previous week and closed higher. Okay. In other ways, like we can see this as also a first green day. Okay, but ask yourself, what is the setup? What is this? As you can see, they were consolidating upwards. But look at here, closed in breakouts, but it closed as a first green day again, but they were consolidating downwards. And you can see higher high down before even the news broke out. It broke out from the range, pulled back, and it's continued. But here it's closed and it was just consolidating. See, it gave a higher high, it gave a higher high, came back in, broke down again, lower low, lower low, lower low, and it gave another lower low, pull back again, and yeah, but this is breakouts, pull back and continue. So it's closed in breakouts, give a first green day and pull back, and they reversed and to take the money at the other side of the market. Okay. So on the Friday, what I saw was day one. Day one is Wednesday. Why is day one Wednesday? Because we always follow the 3 day setup, the 3 day rule. Okay. So if Monday is day one, the fresh as a fresh day, the new beginning day of a week. Tuesday will be day two, and Wednesday will be day three. Yes. But on the day three also becomes a day one. Okay, so Wednesday will be day one, Thursday will be day two, Friday will be day three, and that ends the week. So day one, day two, day three, day one, day two, day three, day one, day two, day three, day one, day two, day three. Okay, so for this 3 day setup, you can see that day one it broke the low of the current week and closed as a first green day. On the second day, it continued and closed as a closing breakout. And you can see all the traders, like all these traders have been stopped out. So like I said, price only does three things. So you can see breakout, it broke out, pull back inside. You see, broke out, broke out, pull back, and it reversed. Breakout, pull back, and reverse. So on the day itself, you can see a breakout. See, like that's the lower low in the inside. A breakout, pull back, breakout, pull back, and continue. Breakout, pull back, and continue. On the day itself, broke out from it broke out from Asians low. Okay, it broke out Asians low, pull back in the US session, and it continued. And it made sense because, as I told you, when a market breaks a level, there is money at the other side. So you can let's so it broke here. So we knew said there was money around here. When it broke this side, we all knew like all these traders like they are still in profit. The market was just breaking out, breakout, pullback, continue, breakout, pullback, continue. So we knew there were stops like there were stops around here, 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 here. So when it started collecting them, we knew say, and it was also a 3 day setup. Day one, day two, day three. Day, pump, consolidate, lower low, pull back, continue. Pump, consolidate, lower low, pull back, continue. Pump, consolidate, lower low, pull back, continue. I just keep repeating this thing so that it will stuck with you, because that is how we understand the market. That is how we understand the language. That is the language we understand from the market. Okay, that is the language we understand. So when we see it, we know that the market is speaking to us, is telling us, okay, this is what is about to happen or might happen. I'm not saying 100% of the time it will happen, but it's mostly you can go back in chat, you see it, you will see it happening, and you can see this is the front side and the back side. You see, this is the front side of the 3-day setup and the back side. So we sold at the back side, okay, because we are selling, so we'll be selling at the back side. So let's go to the 1 minute so that I'll show you how I entered. So this is the 1 minute. Okay, so this was the news. So 9:45. Yeah. So you can see after that 9:45 there was a breakout. There was a breakout pullback. So that's where you could enter stops at the high because my target was the low of the previous day, but I didn't give that. So when the market was consolidating, when it broke out of this consolidation, I had to get out of the market because it was taking too long and I didn't want to be in the market for a very long time. Yes, so I closed in my profit and I just went away. So that is it. I just wanted to share my process with you guys to see how it happened. So if you look at the bigger reasoning behind the trade, it was just a breakout pullback and a reversal trade on Friday. You need to understand in trading, your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's your emotions. So you have to master your mind and the chart will follow. Okay. Uh, you know that patience isn't just a virtue, okay? It's a capital protection. Sit on your hands until the market begs you to act. Okay, so you have to be very patient. So you can imagine how patient, if patience could have gotten you this first green day trade and this Friday trade, so this Thursday trade and Friday trade, if you could just have sitting down on your hands. First green day, you can see it down. You see, you can see it down, consolidate, higher high, pull back, and it was collecting the money. It was going for the money. Down, consolidate, continue, pump, consolidate, continue, down, consolidate. So you can see like a bull and a mountain. Yeah, so yeah, so that is it. I just wanted to break the trade down with you guys. And this is not gambling, it's probability with precision. Every trade you take should have a reason behind it. You just don't have to be hoping for it to go down or up. No, it should have a reason. You can see how beautiful this trade was. First green day, continue, closed in breakouts, day one, day two, day three. And and here you can see day one, day two, day three, give a signal day, first green day before it continued. Okay. Yeah. So you can leave your if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I will reply when I see it. And please try and subscribe to my channel. I know we are all learning. So this is what I've learned so far and it's actually working for me. That's why I had to share it with you guys. Now, so please subscribe to support my channel. I'll keep on dropping breakdowns of my trades so that we'll keep on sharing ideas as one big family. Take care, guys. I will see you another time. Yeah, take care.